Good morning, morning, everyone. Today there's no video, only voice and charts. How's everyone doing? Okay, and I'm gonna be trading with three my funded futures accounts. Okay, so we have SPY right near yesterday's low. Let's see if it's gonna hold there. This important level here on the Q. You guys have my levels on in my watch list on my Discord. Buongiorno. So we have SPY in the Q having gaps everywhere. Still has the gap that it made yesterday. It had the Q has an old gap here, this little gap here, and now has a gap above also that it made today. We have gaps everywhere. Meta pulling back to 630. I want to see holding that level. 628, 630. I want to see it holding that level. SMCI above 38. I think we're good. Bon dia. Yesterday the volume was too high. Now it's too low. I think it's your computer. HD, you guys, I've been talking about HD for like 2 weeks. Just go to my Discord and read what I posted about HD. Simple, pretty simple. CRM looking pretty strong today. I like this hold on SMCI. I want to see SMCI filling the gap that it has above. Google pretty strong. I think Tesla is gonna give us the pullback that I posted on my watch list. Let's be patient there. Nvidia is still a mess. Very choppy. Very choppy daily chart there on Nvidia. I like this pullback here on Tesla. It's going, it looks like wants to go to previous all-time high, which is pretty healthy. Apple is looking pretty weak, very weak. I think definitely Apple is due for more downside. I don't know if that's gonna happen today, but I think Apple going lower is healthy because Apple had a huge move to the upside for like 2 weeks. I like this Nvidia bounce here. I'm sorry, Tesla. Let's see how our contracts for next week. Getting ready. I like the 420 and 425 for next week. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. See if Tesla can give me 415, 414. If not, I'll wait for the break of the VWAP. SPY is looking a little bit weak now. SMCI booming. Let's go, SMCI. I needed this. We needed this. Nice. SPY is really trying to hold here. Let's see if Microsoft can really hold 450. I want to see Google pulling back to previous all-time high. That would be perfect. I like Meta above 628. I like this bounce here on SPY, on the Q. Nice bounce there on Meta, nice bounce on Nvidia. That bounce was near yesterday's low, which is pretty good. But if you guys check the daily, look at this Nvidia. Okay, so this is why I'm not trading Nvidia unless it breaks 142. Yeah, guys, this mess. It's extremely choppy. Like, it doesn't have a clear trend. It's not on a downtrend. It's not on an uptrend. You just keep bouncing here. So for me, the two main levels are 142 and these 135 support, and then 132. So Nvidia needs to break to either side for me to take a trade there. If keeps doing nothing inside this chop mess, there's no reason for me to trade Nvidia. HD finally 420. Nice. Let's see if it's gonna hold there. We finally got HD 420. 420, 418. Its previous all-time high. And we want to see it holding there. That will be the next trade. That will be, I think, my next swing trade. So watch how it's reacting here. Let's see how it's reacting there. SPY is looking a little bit weak right now. So we'll see. That was a big rejection candle. Big one. Like this. So watching HD, watching Tesla. Kind of like this skew and SPY hold, but SPY is still looking kind of weak. So I don't really trust it much. Yeah. And if SPY cannot hold yesterday's low, we have a big gap below. That was the gap that I wanted to play yesterday. SMCI kind of rejecting the gap. I like this consolidation on Meta. HD at 418. Still not signs that it wants to hold there. Okay, Meta looks like it's waking up, which is what I want to see because I'm swinging Meta for next week. It depends if I'm entering with a plan of adding, yes. But most of the time, no, I don't add. Tesla, if can break the VWAP, is a buy for me. If not, I honestly want to see Tesla rejecting the VWAP and going a little bit lower, going to 414, 415. Okay, I like that reaction on Tesla. I like it, that hold on SPY. Meta looking beautiful. Nvidia is still a mess. What am I looking for on a swing? I explained that only how I swing only on my mentoring program. My step-by-step process of swing trading, it's only for my students. Okay, if the Q breaks here the VWAP, I think I'm gonna go long. I like this. I like this hold on the Q and SPY. Beautiful meta bounce. Tesla, it looks like it wants to hold the VWAP. HD is still looking pretty weak. The market is moving very slow. Do we have any data today? FMCI. Okay, rejecting there. At 10:30? Why do we have it then at 10:30? Ooh, I love that reaction on Tesla. Nice. Crude oil? Okay. Awesome. Thank you. So we have the market on a little downtrend here, but moving very slow. Very, very slow. Okay. Google is holding very good. That thing's extremely bullish. I still think the best entry for Google is a pullback to previous all-time high. XCRM is holding pretty good also. I'm still down on my puts, but I'm not gonna sell if cannot break 360. Basically yesterday high. SMCI looking pretty weak. I don't like that. Nvidia looking pretty weak. Apple too. I think Apple can be a good short under 248. If it keeps it under 248, I think it's a pretty good short. Ooh, Tesla breaking the VWAP. Anyone in Tesla? If can hold the VWAP, that's extremely bullish. Same thing with Microsoft. HD still very weak. I'm gonna go long here on ES. I like this buy hold. My stop loss is gonna be if a candlestick closed under this wick. Just looking for a quick bounce here. Keeps holding the same level. Very slow market today. So far, I like Apple for more downside. I like Meta as long as keep holding 628. What else? Tesla looking pretty bullish. That hold of the VWAP is extremely bullish. Let's see how it's gonna react to yesterday high. SPY looks like it's gonna stop me out. We'll see. HD, if can hold 420, 419, I think it could be a good entry for a swing. Nvidia looking pretty weak. I missed my entry on Tesla. still holding there. Okay, I'm out. The next trade is gonna be if SPY rejects yesterday's low, because we have a gap here. Big gap. We need a strong break of yesterday's low. I don't want to see a wick there because it could easily be a fake out. So I'm gonna wait for a strong break and then bounce and rejection. IWM is just dead. What's going on with small caps? Okay, now we have a nice break there. Now we want to see this level acting as resistance, and that will be my entry. Okay, nice move there. Okay, I got it. See, that's why I need you guys. I don't know anything about those about bones and all that stuff. Okay, so now we wait for a little bounce and rejection candle. Oh, I want to see this, and then we play the gap. The gap is even lower, but the first PT is gonna be this little support and then the entire gap. So now Apple is looking pretty strong compared to everything else. Market, it's moving weird today. IWM, if cannot keep holding 235.50, this little level here, most likely we're gonna see more downside until the next big support, which is around 232, 231. It has a very clean downtrend here, nothing but red, only one ugly green candle here and then another one here, but it's just bearish, like very bearish. How many times we're gonna talk about Home Depot, guys? We literally just talk about Home Depot. Nvidia's looking Tesla's looking pretty messy today. I'm waiting for this on Google. Waiting for this previous all-time high. Okay, I'm gonna go short here again. I want to see it under this level. I want to see it keep rejecting yesterday's low. I like that CRM reaction. It looks pretty good. Everything is extremely slow. Okay, looks like it's gonna stop me out now. Let's see. I wanna see SPY under this level here. There was support before. Okay, it's gonna go to a VWAP. Okay. And my fund the future stopped me out because it has a stop loss of 1200. Perfect. Okay, so just perfect. Okay, looks like if doesn't reject here, it looks just like a fake out. Because it went under yesterday's low, could not hold it there. Let's see if it's gonna reject the VWAP or not. The Q is looking way stronger than SPY. Pretty choppy so far, especially the Q. How you guys doing today so far? Waiting for something good? The Q now is looking pretty bullish. Okay. Very green, nice. I'm green with options and thanks to Meta. Red with futures. Okay, so this downtrend is no longer valid. SPY faked me out there, so really trying to hold. $148, very important level for Apple. If it can hold that, it's gonna go to yesterday high. I really like this Microsoft hold above 450. That's pretty bullish. Love Meta. Needs to break yesterday high. Okay. I want to see Google pulling back a little bit more to previous all-time high. That would be perfect for an entry. Okay, so we have the Q looking pretty bullish. The 30-minute candle that closes like that is pretty bullish. Same thing with SPY. Our meta entry yesterday was perfect. That was perfect. Like 200 people here and only 50 likes. You guys are mean. Okay, we have data in 2 minutes. Let's see if that data can start moving the market, because this is extremely boring. Apple rejecting 248. A lot of chop. Very choppy. The daily is starting to look like an inside candle. Inside candle type of day, both on SPY and the Q. Anyone got that Tesla deep buy? Oy, oy, oy. Okay, so now I'm gonna trade with Tradeify accounts, 7 Tradeify accounts. If I can find a good trade here with futures. I'm using the 7 straight to funded accounts. On Tradeify. Hood is looking pretty bullish. The weekly and daily candle on Robinhood is looking extremely bullish. I'm buying shares there. Every time Hood goes down, I buy shares. I think Robinhood is gonna be huge the coming years. So I think it's a very good opportunity to buy shares right now. It's only $38 per share. SPY rejects in there. Nvidia still looking pretty weak. Amazon looking pretty good, very strong, looks strong, holding. Is the market gonna do anything today? HD is a perfect example why we need to wait for confirmation and not just buy because it's at a support level. Look at this. Ugly, ugly, ugly candle breaking previous all-time high. We had no reason to buy at our support. No even one green candlestick here, not even a red hammer candlestick, nothing. Just kept selling off. That's why we wait for confirmation. And that's why when we don't wait for confirmation, we go red. Okay, so Apple above 248, Nvidia looks like it's trying to wake up, but still a mess. I like this weakness on CRM. Nice breakout there. If it's a real breakout, if it is not a fake out. This is so slow. Come on, market, do something. Okay, that was another fake out, ugly fake out there. Okay, so the market doesn't want to do anything today. Looks like it. That was ugly. Is CRM doing a bear flag on the bigger time frames? Kind of looks like that. Or it can be just a break and retest, but with a big gap below, I'll be looking more for more downside because it's a big gap. And I think as Lona keeps rejecting this level is bearish. But for the gap, we need to lose these. This is Tuesday low. It's having a bunch of wicks at the top, which means rejection. Okay, let's go through charts and see if we can find anything to trade in the future. That was CRM. Okay. HD, it's a no unless it goes back and hold 420, 419. So put your alerts there. Apple. Apple, I think it's due for a pullback. So I'm putting a alert here on previous all-time high. I don't know when that's gonna come. It could easily just keep going higher and higher, but I think the best entry will be for a pullback to previous all-time high, and then we see how it reacts there, and we play the upside continuation. But as of right now, I will say watch 248. If it can hold 248, most likely it's gonna go to yesterday high. Uber. Why would I go with Uber calls when it's on a very strong downtrend? What is bullish here? I don't see anything bullish here. Why would I buy Uber calls when it's giving you daily bearish candlestick? One big one, rejection, keeps going lower, one big one, and now it's an inside candle. Why would I buy the dip there when there's no confirmation that I want to change direction? It's been on a downtrend like forever. No confirmation that I want to change that. Snow. Yeah, I like the snow. Okay, I like the snow for this gap fill play. Yes. See how so many things have gaps below that I do think the market needs to pull down because it's unhealthy to just gap and go, gap and go. I do like snow for more downside, but needs to lose this level here. So I'm gonna put my alerts before like around 162, and then we'll see how it's gonna react there. I talk about Hood, Robinhood. I love it for shares for a long-term play. If it goes lower, I like it if it goes lower to 31. It has a little gap here. I'm gonna buy more shares there. Same thing if it goes lower to this gap. Yeah, so Hood, I like it for kind of like a type of long-term hold and just buying the dip with shares. What else? Tesla. gave us. It's looking pretty choppy today, but very bullish. I like that pullback to this is previous all-time high. So this, oopsie, this green level is previous all-time high. I would love to see Tesla either holding there or a little bit lower. I don't know if it's gonna give me that. I was waiting for that today. Didn't happen. So I don't know. Hopefully it can react here and go lower to previous all-time high. Or maybe next week. We'll see. But Tesla is another one that I would love to see pulling back a little bit more and at least consolidating there so we can play the upside continuation. Meta, Palantir is too high, too much. I'm not even looking to trade Palantir. Meta, I was waiting for a better pullback here. Sadly, I missed this pullback, like this deep buy opportunity. But Meta, beautiful, beautiful uptrend, very clean. Yesterday broke this resistance, today held that resistance, so it's pretty bullish. My first PT is gonna be yesterday high. I'm gonna lock some profits there, and then I'm gonna wait and see how it's gonna react there. But yeah, Meta is looking pretty good. I think again, as Lona keeps holding above 628, I'm pretty bullish on Meta. Nvidia is a mess. I'm not looking to trade this one unless it breaks 142 and hold it as support. If that doesn't happen, I'm not even looking at this freaking chart. Too much sideways action. Yes, it's holding this low, but again, I'm not trying, like, honestly, our job as traders is not looking for the bottom, it's only to catch a good portion of a move that it has high probabilities that is going on our way. So we don't need to be the first one buying Nvidia. We just need to be patient here and wait for a good setup. AMD. AMD is still on a very clean downtrend. Let's see. I'm gonna buy shares if it goes to 120, 115, 100. If it keeps going lower, I'm just gonna buy shares there. The retest loan? So what? What if I miss a retest loan? What doesn't have to, like, do I need to take every single trade? No. So I don't care if I miss a trade. Like, that is just I can tell you're a new trader just by that comment. So what if I miss a long opportunity on any, I don't care, on any ticker? I don't see any problem with that. I see a problem with your comments because it looks like you're desperate to make money. What else? Okay, let's go with Palantir. Palantir looks like you want to hold this. Okay, you are... you can switch right now with futures. Yeah, you can switch right now. I think it's changing next Tuesday. Palantir looks like it wants to hold here. Would I be buying here? No, I prefer to buy when fills this gap. I think it's due for a pullback. I don't know when that's gonna come, but it's starting to get very choppy here. Look, these daily candlesticks starting to look very choppy. You have a big engulfing bearish candle, and then the next one is a reaction, and the next one it's looking like it wants to hold, and today is rejecting again. So it's starting to get too choppy, and it's too high too fast. Let's go with Celsius. Celsius is gonna be, my main PT is this here, 35, 36. It's fighting here, 32. That's, I can see how 32 is acting as resistance here. We have reaction, reaction, support, 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 reaction, reaction, support. So it needs to break there, and then the next move, it most likely it's gonna be to 35, 36. I think the main move it's gonna be to 42. Even 48 or 50. Yeah, 31. Yeah, 32 needs to hold 32, and then it can go to 36 and then 42. Is the market doing anything? Not really. Microsoft. Yeah, beautiful 450 hold there. Yeah, the next move it's gonna go to all-time high. So yeah, all-time high I think is the next move for Microsoft, as long as it keeps holding today's low, I will say. Is it just me, or TradingView always has problems removing the alerts? What else? Any other ticker? SMCI? It's pretty messy right now. Look at this. I've been trying to remove all these alerts. It's freaking me out. I hate having too many things on my charts, and I can't get rid of these alerts. Can't even see like the price action with all those lines. I definitely don't like this reaction here, but it's doing nothing. Like, I don't know. Delete all. I already tried. It's not working. It's not working. Pretty messy, to be honest. It's just holding there. If cannot hold today's low, most likely it's gonna go to 36, back to 36. Needs to break this low here. Needs to use this low as support. So we can see more this change of trend, and most likely we'll see more upside, because I still think it can go to 50, but it just had bad news here, so it's kind of like going slowly down. but I do like a lot yesterday's candle. I don't like today's candle, so it's been very choppy. It's not working. I already did that. It's not working. I already did that. Double click, delete, not working. Clean everything here. It's not working. It works on my phone on the mobile app. It doesn't work here. Okay, so yes, it needs to break this resistance here, today's high pretty much, and use it as support so we can see more upside here, another leg up. If it doesn't hold today's low, it's gonna go back to yesterday's low, and it has a gap below, so might go for that gap. Who knows? I still think it's a very good deep buy opportunity for shares or lips. I don't know what's gonna happen with my next week's contracts. We'll see. Oh yes, Micron. That was one that I was looking to trade, and I missed my entry. I was looking to buy the dip here, and I think I missed my entry. I do think if Bitcoin keeps going higher, it's gonna go back to 540. I'm sorry, I mean lips. That's my accent. I'm sorry. Buying lips is just buying options with a lot of time, like 6 months out, a year out, 2 years out. Should we do a YOLO here to 540? Okay, let me see if I can find a good YOLO with these for this chart. First of all, let me see what Bitcoin's doing before doing that. Okay, it's going for all-time high again. Is it gonna break it? It could easily reject here. Do I wanna buy here, or do I wanna wait until Bitcoin breaks all-time high? Because we could have... Yeah, you can definitely go to either side. Go higher. Guys, you need to use Google. Why is Meta not doing anything? Man, I missed. Anyone bought that dip on Tesla? I missed that one. Okay. The IV on these contracts are too expensive, so no YOLO. They're too expensive for a YOLO. Yeah, they're too expensive for a YOLO. Yeah, they're crazy expensive. Okay, let's see that ETF. Let's check that ETF. Okay, wait. So the IV, it's over $100. Why is it so expensive? It's too much. I'm not buying any options over 100. IV, 100% on IV. MSTR. MSTX. Okay. Let me see the chart. MSTX. So the high will be 217. It's still extremely expensive for a YOLO. The IV on this one, on this ETF, is even higher. It's over 200%. Yeah. No. Let's see if I can find a cheaper YOLO for this one. No, if I'm doing YOLO is with options. Because it's a YOLO. So when I do YOLO is I don't care if it goes to 0. When is Trump getting power? What time next year? What date? January 6th. So with Trump on January 6th, most likely the market's gonna bounce. Most likely crypto is gonna go crazy. Even if I want to buy the January 10th, the 548 contracts, they're over 2300. So no YOLO, guys. It's too expensive for a YOLO. If it goes down around 380, I'm just gonna trade it, but not a YOLO. Jan 20th? The 20th? Okay. Oh, coin could be a good one. Yes, you're right. Oh no, you know what? Riot. What is Riot doing? The thing is, like, Riot is being so choppy. I like this 11 hold, but it has a little gap down. Riot, it's been extremely choppy. But I kind of like this chart. Let's see here. We have a rejection. Yeah, I do think IWM could go crazy next year. I do think so. Yeah, Mara, it's been moving better than Riot. Let's see. I kind of like this chart. It has a lot of consolidation. The bigger the consolidation, the bigger the boom boom. It's too choppy. Let's see Mara. Ooh, Mara, it's looking way better. I think it's Mara. Mara, most likely it's pretty cheap. Let's see. Yeah, if you want buy shares, I think it will be the safest bet. But I like me my options. The IV is also very high today for Mara. It's over 120%. Okay, Mara, it looks like it's a go. Let's see this Bitcoin ETF. It looks just like Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin rejects here, it looks exactly like Bitcoin. So let's put a alert here at this high. If it can break and hold that high, that will be our entry to play the upside continuation. ELTR. Let's see. What is bullish about this? What is bullish about this? SMCI dead. Looks like it's about to lose today's low. If that happens, gonna go back down to 36. Spandex is still not doing much. Definitely looks like an inside candle today. Look at the dailies. Daily candle, inside candle. Maybe we're back into the chop because of SPY again is near all-time high. That what happened last week. So yeah, I think it's Mara the one, but I don't know if I want to take it with SPY being, with Bitcoin being right at all-time high. It could react there, and then Mara is gonna be dead. Do you guys want to do this YOLO? It's a YOLO. Yeah, I think it's tomorrow, but yeah, it's gonna depend on Bitcoin all-time high. If it rejects ugly, Mara just gonna die. If it breaks that, we can expect a move towards 27 or 28. Tesla's having trouble around yesterday high. SPY is holding this little level here as support, which is pretty bullish. Nvidia is rejecting, Apple looking kind of strong, Meta doing nothing. I honestly was expecting a healthy move today, with Trump ringing the bell today. I thought the market was gonna be excited for that. What is Broadcom earnings? That can move a little bit the market, because it can move Nvidia and Nvidia move the market. Let's see. Oh, it's today. Today after hours. Okay, not much to do here. I think I'm gonna leave. Like, I don't see much happening here. Maybe another pullback here and holding this support. Maybe could be one. But do I trust it? Not really. We have nothing. The market is extremely boring today. Tesla, the VWAP. Yeah, Tesla, it's been extremely choppy today too. So for me, if I want to play Tesla, I'm gonna wait for 415. If it doesn't give me that, no trade. PRN, 460 is the level that you want to see breaking if you want to see more upside. Ugh. Everything's too choppy. Like, nothing. I don't see anything worth trading. Too choppy. MDB. Is that a Chinese stock? I think so, right? Yeah. I don't know, but just by looking at this chart, I don't want to trade this. I don't see anything worth trading. Yeah, it has a little support here. Maybe. But I don't know, I don't like it. Oh, it had earnings. Looks like the earnings were good, but still it reacted out very strongly. Yeah, but I don't see anything worth trading. I remember I only traded this one once, and I was trying to play this gap, and it faked me out like 4 times. So no, it faked me out twice, and I just was like, okay, I'm never gonna play this one. It's extremely choppy, ugly candlesticks, nothing that I see that I would like to trade there. Oh, it's American? Okay. Yeah, I wouldn't be trading this. I don't see anything that I will say, yes, I want to buy or I want to sell here. No. Okay, guys, any other chart? This is getting extremely boring. This market is doing nothing. Oh, let's look ARM. You guys love ARM. Nothing. The pullback here was the buy opportunity. Was a pretty good buy opportunity. Bounce. Yeah. Went under, and then we have a bounce here. That was the entry. Let's see, UNH. Is it red because of the kid killing the CEO? That's why this thing is so... It's down like $100, over $100. 520, 530 could be a good buy opportunity, but I'm not gonna trade this. Let's see, anything else? Oh, coin. I forgot about coin. Pretty choppy too. I like it if it goes back down to this little level here. Yeah, very choppy. Well, it looks like it's consolidating inside a wedge. What's the weekly? Weekly looking kind of bullish. Monthly looking not bullish at all. Yeah, it looks like a big consolidation inside a wedge. And this wedge can go to either side. I like it more if it goes lower. HD, it's so disappointing. I was waiting for that 420 level. Didn't hold. Let me see CRW. Crown strike. Not looking back, but trading inside a big channel could be a flag, definitely. But I don't love it. Oh, we already go through snow. Yeah, snow. We need to wait for that gap. If snow fills the gap, that's where I'll be open to play the upside continuation here. CRM is holding pretty good. I was not expecting this bounce, but yeah, it needs to break. I will say 362 is the level that it needs to break if we want to see more upside. Baba. Too choppy. Look at these candles. Weird candle. Weird one. Weird. A little bit better. Too choppy. Too choppy. I think Chinese stocks are having weird move because China is having a bunch of news lately. And I think it's gonna be more difficult in the future with Trump. I don't like trading Chinese stocks. PDD was my biggest return this year. It was like, oh no, my biggest return this year was AI, 2000% on the lips. Oh, Chipotle. CMG. That thing is gone. Too late. Too late. The best entry will be here. I have an alert there. It has a little gap here, so if it can go down and fill that gap, that will be my entry to play the upside continuation. Okay guys, I'm starving. The market is doing nothing. I'm out. Look at this. This is too choppy, too slow. Nvidia doing nothing. Microsoft doing nothing, but it's holding 450, which is pretty bullish. Apple holding 248, I'm sorry. It's good, but I don't like yesterday's daily candle on Apple. Meta is doing nothing, but it's holding above 628, which is bullish. What else? SMCI super choppy, but it held today's low, which is good. But the daily candle's not looking too good. So yeah, guys, I'm done. Red day with these 3 My Funded Futures accounts. Red yesterday, red today so far. We'll see if I can turn it around. Trading maybe later if I see anything worth trading. I'm gonna trade it with my 7 TradeOfI accounts. And yeah, I'm done. This is extremely boring. Thank you guys for being here. I'll see you on Monday. No, mañana, on Monday. Bye.